Welcome to Rosa Finance. Today, we're going to discuss strategies for making smart financial decisions that can set you on the path to financial well-being. Financial decisions can range from everyday spending choices to long-term investment strategies. While it's easy to make impulse decisions, taking a thoughtful and informed approach can significantly impact your financial future. Understanding your financial situation. Before making any financial decisions, it's crucial to understand your current financial situation. This involves gathering information about your income, expenses, debts, and assets. By having a clear picture of your financial standing, you can identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Setting financial goals. Financial goals provide direction and motivation for your financial decisions. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, achieving debt-free status, or building a secure retirement fund, having specific financial goals will guide your actions and help you stay on track. Creating a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your finances, allowing you to track your income and expenses and ensure that you're living within your means. A well-crafted budget will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate more funds towards your financial goals. Prioritizing debt management debt can be a significant burden on your financial well-being. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt such as credit cards, as it can quickly accumulate and hinder your financial progress. Consider debt consolidation or refinancing options to lower your interest rates and make debt repayment more manageable. Investing for long-term growth. Investing is an essential component of building long-term wealth. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes to mitigate risk and potentially maximize returns. Start investing early, even if it's just a small amount, as the power of compounding works in your favor over time. Seeking professional guidance. If you feel overwhelmed or need personalized advice, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a financial advisor. Financial advisors can provide tailored strategies based on your unique financial situation, risk tolerance, and long-term goals. Let's break down the fundamentals of making smart financial decisions into 3 key pillars: knowledge, strategy, and discipline. Pillar of sound financial decisions is knowledge. Arm yourself with insights into personal finance, investment strategies, and risk management. Understand your financial situation, including your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Seek guidance from reputable sources, such as financial advisors or online resources. Knowledge empowers you to make informed choices, aligning your financial decisions with your long-term goals. Strategy. With knowledge comes strategy. Develop a personalized financial plan that aligns with your unique circumstances and aspirations. Set clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment, achieving debt freedom, or building a secure retirement fund. Discuss financial planning techniques. Explain financial modeling, cash flow analysis, and scenario planning to create a comprehensive financial plan. Introduce risk tolerance assessment. Help viewers understand their risk tolerance and how it influences their investment choices. A well-defined strategy provides direction and guidance, helping you prioritize your financial decisions and achieve your objectives. Discipline. The key to unlocking the power of financial knowledge and strategy lies in discipline. Cultivate financial discipline by sticking to your budget, avoiding impulse purchases, and making consistent contributions to your savings and investments. Discipline is the driving force that transforms financial plans into reality, propelling you towards your financial goals. Making smart financial decisions is a journey, not a destination. Embrace continuous learning, seek guidance when needed, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, you hold the power to shape your financial future. Thank you for joining Rose Finance on this journey of financial empowerment. We're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to Rose Finance and also like this video and turn on the bell so you can get updated on what you can invest on and how you can make smart financial decisions.